Hello, welcome to my channel. So, if you haven't watched my previous shots, please go and watch it. That one has a super duper easy drawing, and you can use that as a Halloween card. It barely takes 5 minutes to make it, but today's art form is slightly complicated. Honestly, the drawing isn't too hard. Like you can see, it took 5 minutes to draw it, but then I decided to make it a little more ornate, so I added designs on the skull. I think this is a very Mexican based drawing because they use a lot of art forms. My apologies for keeping the drawing horizontal because when I was drawing, the orientation was vertical, but I felt like the screen wouldn't do justice if I kept it in the vertical format. However, you can see a full completed version of this drawing at the end in the vertical format as well. So yeah, I wanted to make it very jeweled and bejeweled and with lots of flowers and everything. So after I finished drawing the skeleton, I felt like there is still scope for work, so I added a headband full of flowers. I decided to draw some roses, some flowers, some ferns, and make it look a little more full. So this is what I did for that. Also pay attention, I have varied or modified the thickness of my art. So the headband has slightly thicker linings, and the face and the design inside the skeleton has slightly thinner lines. Just to give that importance, so that the colors on the headband are bolder, so I've kept the lining bold. And then I also decided to add some flower earrings on both sides. And yeah, my ultimate intention was to make this drawing very colorful, and I am honestly planning to print this drawing and spray some varnish, cut the outline, and then paste it on my front door just to give it that Halloween vibe. And yes, this is how the completed art looks like. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.